Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some little stands for my Equestria Girl dolls because, you know, the later series, they got these cute little like Equestria Girl stands. You see the ones they're standing on? Well, not her, that's a Shopkin stand. But yeah, the later ones didn't come out with stands until like the Rainbow Rocks era of the Equestria Girl minis. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the two big kits I needed was a silicone mold like mixer and some UV resin kits and stuff. Alright, so here's my little setup. I have a piece of poster board down. Underneath the little like stand I have wax paper, and around it I have this little like plastic cup that I cut up. This is my first time doing this, so it's gonna be very experimental. I got my hot glue warming up right now. I'm going to glue around the cup so that way, it's, locked in tight. I don't need any silicone stuff mixing out. And hopefully within 6 to 8 hours, we'll have a mold and we can start making stands. By the way, I love my new nails. These are so cute. Not perfect, but still cute. I actually just thought something. The hot glue is not gonna stick to this wax paper. So am I gonna have to like cut it and just have the inside with the wax paper? We'll see. Well, again, experimental. We're just testing stuff out right now. So that's exactly what I did. I have a little circle of wax paper on the inside and on the outside, so that way it is tight around there. So that way it won't like leak out. So now we're gonna mix 2 parts of this silicone stuff and make our little silicone mold. I hope this thing doesn't like float up to the top and like completely mess up my plan. Alright, so we got equal parts of A and B, so we're going to mix it in that little cup and then slowly pour it into that so we can make our mold. Alright, we're giving it a good mix. Notice as I mix it, it is getting a little bit more thicker, so I think it's time to pour. Alrighty, I think this should be enough. Okay. Alrighty. Now we have to wait nearly 6 to 8 hours for this to cure. Yep, so just as I thought it was gonna happen, the pink one started to float. So I have this other one, like it's black or like a dark blue or something, but I put a little tiny dab of hot glue at the base so that way, hopefully it keeps it down so I won't have to repeat this with another stand. Alright, so it is just not my luck in that, like, literally, like, the stuff just started leaking out, like, I can't tell if like the silicone is like curing or is it just like, I don't know. I basically did not wait for the hot glue to completely dry. So now stuff has like leaked out basically. Don't ever become like a toy collector or doll collector. I could have probably just looked on Amazon to look for some like acrylic stands, but no, I want to be creative. I wanted it to be cohesive. I wanted to do things my own way, but yet here we are. Yeah, basically this is the hot glue that didn't cure and like I poked a hole. It's basically just a giant like silicone pimple at this point. Alright, so I let it sit for like nearly like over 12 hours. I took it out and here it is. It looks perfect. Like not bad for my first, well, technically second silicone mold. This looks really good. Alright, so I'm going to test out the UV resin that it comes with. This is like, crystal clear. I'm going to mix it with this like, hot pink glitter because no doubt it works, but I do want my first one to look very sparkly. Alright, now that we all got it in there, let's give it a nice, good mix. I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands. Now with the little pegs, I'm gonna try to fill those up with like a little drop of resin at a time. So that way there won't be any air bubbles. Alright, now I'm going to start pouring in the resin. Okay. Alright, don't want to add in too much. I don't want it to be like too much at the base and it just ends up wobbly. Alrighty, I have it sitting right here underneath the lamp. Let's turn this on. Ooh, that is bright on camera. But I'm gonna have it here for, I believe that's 120 seconds. I believe the 2 modes it has is 60 seconds, then 120 seconds, so let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so it should be fully cured. Let's go ahead and take this out. I wonder if I can do it with one hand. Hopefully, it's fully... Oh, there we go. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. I want to definitely make more pink ones. This is so pretty. So now I just repeat this about 20 more times and my Equestria girls will finally have their own little stands. Alright, so it's literally the next day, so I really just spent like all my evening, afternoon making little stands. Now, of course, I want to like make them different colors, so you know, mixing different glitters and stuff to get like, you know, what I wanted. There were a few trial and errors, like some of the stands when I filled up, like little pegs didn't fill properly, so couldn't use those. But here is majority of them, all just standing up, like they, like it's so weird to see them like this, like actually like, you know, somewhat organized, because majority of them were just laying here on the thing. I literally had the idea of making stands for them like nearly like over a year ago, and I'm just now getting to it. I don't know why, I'm just that lazy and I procrastinate a lot, but I just do. I really had so much fun mixing the glitters for like different stands, because of course obviously Rarity's gonna be blue, Fluttershy's gonna be a light pink, Twilight's gonna be purple, Sunset Shimmer, I like her stand because it's literally like gold holographic glitter. Reminds me of like a ray of like sunshine. I love it. Rainbow Dash was also interesting because I didn't have like rainbow glitter, so I just mixed blue, green, and red glitter into it, so maybe I might change that up. But this Rainbow Dash stand right here, it's purely like holographic glitter, so yeah, I should have just made this like a Rainbow Dash's like basic stand. It's so pretty with holographic glitter. DJ Poem 3s, I put in blue glitter, silver glitter, and little bits of like a holographic glitter. So it kind of reminds me of like, almost like, I don't know, like the Dallas Cowboys almost. I even made a few extras down here in like rainbow colors just because I know I'm definitely going to want to buy more Equestria girls down the line. I definitely want to get Derpy. This one is going to her. I know if I ever get probably Celestia, I don't know, maybe I'll make a gold one for her. But yeah, I'm so glad I actually did this. This is like really fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at the Unicorn Toy Box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I want to say you want to subscribe because I got some big projects coming up this year, and I want you guys to see them. Bye!